Showore.
Sir!
Officer! You can't believe what is happening in our community right now. In our community right now, terrorists are taking over our community. There's nobody alive in our community right now, officer. I'm telling you the real fact, officer. Please arrange your boys. Let's go to our community.
There is no. You are making noise.
Officer,
Listen,
please.
listen to me. It's okay. Terrorists have taken over your community.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Good,
sir.
good and fine. What I am telling you now is that these terrorists that have taken over your community is not more important than arresting Showore.
Is that you?
This is national issue I am talking about, and they are talking of community problem.
Are you
What are
playing?
you saying? My community has been invaded by the terrorists, and you're telling me that Showore matter is your matter and your problem right now?
My friend, I put it to you that Showore sent you. Boys, pick him up.
What is it?
Yes, sir.
What